An equation is a mathematical statement showing equality between two expressions. For example, the equation 2 plus 3 5 asserts that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. This is different from an expression which does not assert equality. Understanding these definitions is crucial for grasping mathematical concepts. Let's proceed. An equation can be represented in the form E equals LHS equals RHS, where E is an equation, LHS, left-hand side, represents one expression, and RHS, right-hand side, represents another. An example of this is 5x plus 2 equals 12. Some more examples of equations include y equals mx plus b quad linear, ax plus bx plus c equals 0 quadratic. Now let's look at expressions. A few examples of expressions are 5x plus 3 and 2a minus 7b. Expressions are combinations of numbers, variables, and operators. They do not show equality. For instance, 2 plus 3 or 4xy are both expressions but not equations. It's important to distinguish between the two to develop mathematical understanding. Key differences between equations and expressions. Equations include an equality sign, equals. Expressions do not assert any equality. Understanding these will assist in solving math problems correctly. Now let's solve a problem. Let's solve the equation 2x plus 3 equals 11 step by step. 1. Subtract 3 from both sides. 2x is 3 minus 3, 11 minus 3, right arrow, 2x equals 8. 2. Divide by 2. X equals frac 8, 2. Right arrow, x equals 4. So the solution is x equals 4. Understanding the distinction between equations and expressions is fundamental in mathematics. Equations represent equality, while expressions do not. If you want to dive deeper into types of equations or examples, feel free to ask. Thank you for exploring the topic of equations and expressions with us. Remember, practice makes perfect.